Okay, I'm gonna try to get this over with, or not over with. I'm gonna try to get this done before the fan comes on. But welcome to the sign of the week with Osmosis Glow. I'm your host, THK Shay. I'll be speaking to this camera. This camera will more so be for just capturing the aesthetics of the sign. I don't think it will be able to capture myself properly without going dark. So yeah, welcome to the sign of the week. This is the part of the I don't know, it's my content. It's a part of the show where I will be talking about a sign that I've done in the week, an interesting sign, kind of the story behind it, the specifications of the sign. So yeah, this sign, we'll call it Heartlynn, and this sign was for a friend of mine's daughter for Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year if I don't speak to you by then. So basically he messaged me. He's like, bro, I want a sign for my daughter, this and that. Her name is Heartlynn. What do you think? I forget how the messages go, but I think I'm pretty sure he suggested, or he asked me if I could incorporate a heart somewhere, right? So I said, okay, why don't we cut it out in the shape of a heart? What do you think about that? He's like, love the idea. So I sent him a selection of fonts to choose from. He picked this particular font, and then I asked him what colors he wanted with it, and he wanted pink and like the teal blue, right? So I sent him back a proof of concept with the cutout design, with the heart in there, you know, with the name overlapping the heart, and he loved it. So the dimensions of the sign are actually, one second. So the dimensions are from the widest point, it's about 28 inches, and from the highest point, it's about 23 inches. So it's a big boy. It's a pretty big sign. So it's definitely going to make a statement whenever somebody sees it, or whenever they walk into the room. One thing I really like about, or I'm starting to appreciate about, the signs that I make that have the clear backing is that not only does it obviously give a glow to the entire room, but it kind of gives like a hue on the back of the sign too. So I don't know if you can really see it in the camera, but there's like a pink glow behind the Heartlynn, and then there's also a blue glow around the heart too, and so both of them kind of mesh together. And it's actually this particular sign is actually a little bit offset because it's mounted to like this fence here, but if it were on a wall, it would actually be way more pronounced than it is right now. So that's something to keep in mind when you're getting a sign or anything like that. But yeah, this sign was really cool. It's really interesting. It's getting great reactions on social media. So if you ever wanted something like this, you can just DM me at Osmosis Glow. I'm pretty responsive. I'm very responsive, actually. Very responsive. If you have any kind of ideas in regard to how you want your sign to look, how you want it cut out, again, that can be done. We don't have an option online on the online store to actually like cut it out in this shape. So if you wanted it cut out in like a particular shape, that is another custom feature that would have to be added. So yeah, you would have to get in contact with us, or you could submit a picture, or fill out our contact form on the internet. But yeah, this is the sign of the week. We'll call it Heartlynn, obviously. Yeah, and that's about it. Heartlynn, I hope you love your sign. Thanks for supporting as always, and check back with you in a week from now. Thanks.